The market for wireless headphones is bursting with countless products from prominent music device manufacturers. Technological evolution has given us the flexibility of choosing our wireless earphones from several styles, such as earbuds, on-ear headphones, over-ear headphones, in-ear earphones, and AirPods. In the earphone producing industry, Beats by Dr. Dre has taken headphone technology to a new height, which is why Beats is a symbol of quality in the earpieces market. The BeatsX Wireless Earphones is our selection of the day, and we hope you would find it quite interesting to learn about this fantastic product from Beats.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The BeatsX is a classic flex cable style wireless earphone designed by Beats for the music lovers who like to hear music for long hours. The earphones are sleek, light and compact, and it's easy to carry in the pocket, in the bag or around your neck. It comes with 4 different sizes of high quality silicone ear tips that would comfortably fit in the ear, and you can wear it for long hours. BeatsX is designed with an incredibly powerful Apple W1 chip, which ensures seamless connectivity at a long range. The chip also makes switching between devices more comfortable than before, and the chip also contributes to even distribution of the sound waves. The product is greatly compatible with Apple devices as well as Android devices. The microphone works great, and the noise cancellation feature works better than any earphones within the price range. BeatsX produces excellent sound quality. It captures the low end clearly with 0 dropouts, the mid frequency is great, vocals are crystal clear, and bass is great as most of the Beats products. The battery life is great as well. It lasts for 8 hours once fully charged, and the battery takes fast charge using the lightning charging technology. BeatsX comes with a standard manufacturer warranty. Let's look into the customer reviews of the BeatsX earphones to learn what people are saying about the product. The earphone has got 3.6 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 1,881 customer reviews on Amazon, which is suggesting that the customers have mixed feelings about BeatsX. The earphone has got a good review for sound quality, comfort, and volume control features. Here are some comments from customers who bought the product. One person gave 5 stars to BeatsX and wrote, "My favorite feature is the fast charging. 10 minutes and it's fully charged. Sound quality is pretty good and connects very quickly." Another user has given 5 stars and commented, "I love these headphones. They connect easily and the battery is long enough for my liking. Most important of all is the piece that hangs around your neck. It doesn't hit or press on your neck, but it does keep them around your neck." There are some dissatisfied customers. Among them, one customer gave 1 star and said, "Used these maybe 3 times before they simply stopped working. Charged and charged and charged, unplugged to use, and nothing. Power won't come on." That's all we have on the BeatsX wireless earphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.